So I went to the store recently and saw hooks for about 50 euros or something on a board. And I went, that's crazy. So I bought these silver forks for 6 euros. There's the fork, right? Hacksawing it off right there at the end. Bending them up like this. All I gotta do is drill a hole here for a nice screw, and I have my own coat hanger. Huh? How easy is that? Yeah, so I've done all 4 hooks, all 4 forks. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and these are a little bit more curved, right? So you have to bend them around a steel pipe, and you can just put in a nice cap screw. So you drill with the small drill, and then I went about 4 millimeters and drilled again, and then you go with a larger drill and clear off the burr so nobody gets cut putting them in or anything. And there you go, I got 4 hooks, 4 euros, not 50. And you get a nice piece of wood and you get some nice screws and you just sink them in there. And you don't have to really drill or anything, you just get one of these point things and you hit it hard and you can just screw the screw in like that. Anyways, there you go, there's a nice coat hanger. And these are going to be 2 on the back of bathroom door most likely, a little wider apart. So there's my, you can use teaspoons or dessert spoons or forks. Forks a little, sometimes a little drastic up there, but it was fun. I just had to cut off the top, round them off, polish them with Dremel with a wire brush, and away we go. Look very, very trendy.